back. I haven't actually done a video in quite a while. Today, as the title says, we're me trying out a new product. I feel like I've been trying a lot of foundations lately. Sephora's new Best Skin Ever foundation. I've heard a lot about this foundation. I am gonna stop talking, do a voiceover, and we'll review this, okay? So if you're interested, then just keep watching.
Okay, so I'm wearing shade 56.5P. I feel like it was a pretty decent match. In person, it looked a little bit more red than it does here, but overall it was a decent match. It does have an expiration of 12 months, which is pretty standard. It comes in a glass bottle, and it does have a pump, which I appreciate. Here, I am just using one pump for my entire face, and you do get a decent amount of product with just one pump, so I appreciate that. And it has a really nice, soft, velvety, almost mousse-like texture, which I really liked. This is what it looked like with my concealer and everything down, so you definitely have like a radiant, natural finish. And here is my finished look. I feel like for $20, this is a pretty good foundation. I haven't really tried any of Sephora's foundations before. This is my first time. So this kind of has me curious in trying more of their products. So I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.